This is the Tallas clean water drainage pump. It comes in two types, two different flow rates of 125 litres per minute and 195 litres per minute. Those two pumps can pump up to 6.5 metres and 9 metres respectively. These pumps are ideal for pumping clean water out of ponds and pools where there is a maximum particle size of 6 millimeters. The pump has an integrated switch that allows you to change over from manual to automatic mode. The automatic mode will pick up if there's water in the system and start pumping immediately. It also has a built-in run dry protect to stop any damage from the pump as the water level goes too low. The suction capability of this pump allows the water to go all the way down to 3 millimeters. This pump is a simple plug and play. Easy to carry, a compact size to fit in confined spaces. The pump has a 10-meter cable and it has a QR code which allows you to connect directly to the supplier's website for troubleshooting and installation diagrams. If this product information was useful, like it, share it, and you can subscribe to our channel.